Having long, thick, and lustrous locks is a cherished desire of many. This makes the problems of thinning hair or hair loss very upsetting for some people, women and men alike. Common causes of hair loss include nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalance, stress, use of improper hairstyles, heating tools, chemical-laden hair products, genetics, and various other reasons. But you need not worry. There are some home remedies that can help nourish your hair and promote new growth. These remedies will prove to be highly effective if you follow them regularly for at least a month. 1. Scalp massage and hot oil treatment. Massaging your scalp helps improve circulation and hence stimulates hair growth, and you only need to do it for about 5 minutes daily to see results. Just rub your fingers on your scalp in a circular motion, applying gentle pressure and kneading occasionally to open up the blood vessels and increase blood flow. Massaging can also be combined with a hot oil treatment once or twice a week. Heat some coconut or olive oil in a microwave or a double boiler. Heating it will help it penetrate the hair shaft easily and also reduce dandruff. Put the hot oil on your hair and comb it through to ensure even distribution and reduce breakage during shampooing. Wear a plastic cap or wrap a warm towel around your head, use a hairdryer to heat the towel, and leave it on for at least half an hour before shampooing. Another popular tip is to flip your hair upside down for 2 to 4 minutes daily. 2. Rosemary. Rosemary is an excellent herb for your hair. It promotes growth of long hair, strengthens the roots, and eliminates dandruff. The herb has antioxidant properties that boost hair growth. In addition, the sulfur and silica content in rosemary helps reverse hair loss. Rosemary will help increase circulation to the scalp and unclog blocked hair follicles. Furthermore, it can help darken your hair. Mix 2 drops of rosemary essential oil in 2 tablespoons of a base oil such as olive, coconut, jojoba, almond or avocado oil. Apply it on your hair and massage the scalp. Leave it on for at least half an hour and then shampoo your hair as usual. You can also use rosemary water as a final hair rinse. To prepare it, steep 2 or 3 rosemary sprigs in 2 cups of hot water for about 5 minutes. If you have the dried form of the herb, boil a handful of it in water. Allow it to cool and then strain the infusion. Rinse your hair with it after shampooing. You can use both these remedies several times a week. 3. Castor oil. Castor oil facilitates hair growth because it is rich in omega-9 fatty acids and vitamin E. The thick oil moisturizes your hair, adds volume, prevents frizzing, and also fights scalp infections. It is best to mix castor oil with an equal amount of a base oil to get a better consistency and enhance the benefits. Rub it on your scalp and massage. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Finally, rinse it out and shampoo your hair. If it is difficult to remove, use a clarifying shampoo. To make it more effective, mix 4 drops of rosemary essential oil in an ounce of castor oil and then use it on your hair and scalp. 4. Eggs. Hair is made up of keratin protein and eggs are a great source of protein. Thus, they are highly beneficial in helping your hair grow. Whisk 2 egg yolks and mix in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply the mixture on your scalp and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it out with cold water and then shampoo your hair as usual. Alternatively, mix 1 egg and 1/4 cup each of plain yogurt and mayonnaise in a blender. Apply this hair mask and cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave it on for at least half an hour before rinsing it out. 5. Indian gooseberry. When dealing with hair loss, you can apply coconut oil infused with Indian gooseberry, or amla, to encourage hair growth. It will help greatly with premature graying as well. Heat some coconut oil in a pan and cook dried amla pieces in it until they are charred. Strain and cool the oil. Massage your hair and scalp with it. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Do this on a weekly basis. Alternatively, you can apply a mixture of 1 tablespoon each of dried Indian gooseberry powder and lemon juice. Simply applying fresh amla juice is also useful. 6. Lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, folic acid, and other nutrients. Plus, they are loaded with antioxidants. In addition to hair growth, lemon juice promotes smooth, shiny, dandruff-free hair. When applied on the scalp, it stimulates circulation and hence prevents hair loss. Do not use lemon juice in excess though, as it can lighten your hair color over time. Mix 1 part lemon juice and 2 parts of coconut or olive oil. Apply it on your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Wash it out and then shampoo your hair with a mild shampoo. Repeat once or twice a week. 7. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is a vegetable that can be juiced in a juicer or simply run in a blender and then pressed through a strainer. It is packed with protein, carotenoids, vitamins B and C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus and silica. To facilitate hair growth, drink beetroot juice regularly. You can also combine it with juices of other vegetables such as cucumbers, carrots, coriander, lettuce, or others that you like. For example, you can prepare a healthy drink by blending together half a beet, half a cucumber, and 5 carrots. Strain it, if needed, and drink the juice. Alfalfa juice extracted from alfalfa sprouts is also beneficial for hair growth because it is rich in vitamins A, B complex, and E, as well as calcium, magnesium, folic acid, and zinc. 8. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, or methi, is considered good for hair growth as it is rich in protein. Plus, it contains lecithin that strengthens and moisturizes your hair. Soak a cup of fenugreek seeds in water overnight, or at least for 4 hours. Take them out of the water and grind them into a paste. Apply coconut oil on your hair, followed by the paste. Let it sit for at least an hour before rinsing it out and shampooing your hair. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times a week. 9. Fish oil. Fish oils are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that not only promote smooth, shiny hair but also encourage healthy hair growth. Oftentimes, a deficiency of these fatty acids impedes hair growth. Take fish oil supplements daily for at least a month. If you just cannot stand the smell of fish oils, consider taking flax seed oil. You can also include flax seeds in your diet. 10. Coconut milk. Coconut milk contains vitamins B, C, and E, as well as calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, selenium, and numerous other nutrients. It nourishes your hair, promotes hair growth, and prevents hair loss. You can simply include fresh coconut milk in your diet, or try one of these remedies. Massage your scalp with coconut milk, leave it on for at least half an hour and then wash it out with lukewarm water. Do this 2 to 4 times a month. Apply a combination of 1/4 cup each of coconut milk, wheat germ oil, and aloe vera gel. All these ingredients encourage hair growth, and aloe vera contains an enzyme that decreases hair loss. Mix coconut milk with avocado pulp, olive oil, and a little honey to make a nourishing hair mask. Besides these natural cures, diet plays an important role in healthy hair growth. So, enjoy fresh and nutritious foods in your diet, particularly green leafy vegetables and dairy products, as protein and B vitamins are nourishing for your hair. If you are experiencing hair problems due to a medical condition or medications, consult your doctor for proper treatment of the underlying cause. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube for more upcoming videos tips.